Lelouch 6 Britannia never doubted himself. But what if you could have that same unwavering confidence? What if you could use your weaknesses, just like Lelouch, to fuel your greatest triumphs? Imagine this. You're facing a challenge, and instead of letting your weaknesses hold you back, you turn them into your greatest assets. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. It's all about the mindset you choose to adopt. How to use your weaknesses to achieve your goals starts with shifting how you view your flaws. We all have something we struggle with. Procrastination, self-doubt, a lack of motivation. These are common obstacles we all face. But here's the catch. It's not your weaknesses that define you. It's how you respond to them that matters. Take Lelouch, for example. His weakness was often seen as his arrogance and ruthlessness. But what did he do? He turned it into a strategic advantage, shaping his path to victory. Mentally improvement is about realizing that your weaknesses don't make you weak. They reveal what you need to work on to grow stronger. Now, here's the truth. If you're constantly fighting against your weaknesses, you'll always feel stuck. But if you learn to accept them, to understand them, they can become the driving force behind your success. Let's take a moment to talk about something a bit more scientific. According to a study by psychologist Carol Dweck, those who have a growth mindset are more likely to turn challenges into opportunities. Instead of fearing failure, they embrace it as a tool for growth. If this already resonates with you, keep watching because I'm about to share a secret that few people know about turning weaknesses into your greatest strength. Here's the secret. Strong mindset isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about being honest with yourself. Recognize your flaws, then use them to guide you toward your goals. It's about taking action, even when you feel insecure or unprepared. So how do you do it? First, identify your weaknesses. Don't run from them, embrace them. Then ask yourself, how can this make me stronger? For example, if you struggle with procrastination, use it as a signal to manage your time better. If you lack confidence, push yourself out of your comfort zone in small, manageable ways. By understanding and working with your weaknesses, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. It's the same mindset Lelouch had when facing impossible odds. He saw every challenge as an opportunity to outsmart his enemies and win. You can do the same. How to use your weaknesses to achieve your goals is simple. Turn what you perceive as your limitations into fuel for your success. It's time to take control of your mindset and unlock your potential. Because when you master your weaknesses, there's nothing that can stop you. Now, ask yourself, are you ready to make your weaknesses your greatest strength? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's continue this journey of mental improvement together.